you sell here?
Yes.
Yeah. So, business is good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, it's good.
Where did you come from? From Somalia?
I'm from Ethiopia.
From where?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia? Yeah, I've been to Ethiopia. Yeah. So you make a good turnover?
Yeah.
Huh? That's very good.
Sure.
Okay. So you registered your shop?
Yeah.
Registered?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. All right. So what can I buy here in this shop?
Yeah, you can take anything.
I can buy anything?
Yes.
Sure, sure. Okay. So if I want a shirt, can I buy a shirt?
Shirt.
Yeah. Oh, I wanted to buy a shirt.
Careful. Product only must careful.